Hi there, this is Gal,
And I'm Liron.
and we are the co-founders of the Couple Center, of course, married couple.
And we want to say, first of all, happy holidays.
Yeah, it's the end of the year, and the holidays season is here. And if you're here on our Facebook or Instagram or in our email list, we really appreciate you. Thank you for doing this, and we want to say just a happy holidays from both of us.
And hope you will take some time to rest and nourish yourself and your relationship.
And the end of the year for most people, there's also a time of reflection, of starting to think about next year and asking themselves, like, what do I want for myself? What do I want to happen? What are my goals or intentions for the next year? And so we wanted to also invite you to reflect for a moment, like, what are your goals and intentions for your relationship?
And what would you like to have? Maybe something that you had in the past and you lost over the years, or something new that you want to nourish that will blossom for the next year. So we want to invite you to our workshop, Love Made Simple. That's a wonderful opportunity to learn more about your relationship, to learn more about yourself, to help you to grow together, to unfold any issues that you may have from the past or from the present, and to get to know each other better, to connect, to deepen your love and your relationship.
And in our experience, so many couples go through that thing of like, I want to feel closer, I want to work on some stuff, but I don't know how to do that. And so
Right.
they just end up scheduling maybe a date night or going even away on vacation, but end up feeling like it's not exactly it, something's still missing, or I know we can do better, I just don't know how. And Love Made Simple is really about that. It's really, taking a lot of our history and our experience and working with hundreds of couples and putting into simple tools and simple exercises and making it like, what is it like to feel really connected, and what does it take in order to be in good communication with one another. So as you're reflecting on the next year, it's just an invitation to say, what about doing something for the two of you? It only takes a weekend. So think about that, and if it feels right to you, we'll be happy to see you.
And it's even more than that, just not just to see you, it's something that you do for yourself in a beautiful environment in Aqua Hotel, in Mill Valley in Marine. And you're really going to dive into a place that you may never experience before in your relationship. And we are there to be there with you and to support you, and we would love to get to know you more in person, and of course to answer any questions that you may have. I know it's kind of like unknown today's, it's a long time to invest, but I just want to say that it's very private workshop, and couples are thrilled to come and go through that process because it's really deepening the relationship. So you're welcome to check our Yelp page and our Facebook page, and please be in touch. We would love to hear from you and answer any question you may have.
Yeah, so we hope to see you in the new year.
Happy New Year.
Bye bye.